Hi everyone, this is Bagger and Bagger Dawn. It's March 11th at about 10 p.m. Sunday evening, and we've carved out what we see in a lot of the markets, but in particular the major market, the SPX or the New York Stock Exchange. Actually, it's a better setup of the New York Stock Exchange, which is a wider cross section than the SPX. So I wouldn't get too spooked by what the Nasdaq is doing. What we see is a pattern that is a bearish Gartely. This would be the X point where we sold off. We come down X to A, and then A to B, B to C, and then C to D, completing up in and around this area, leading to a major sell-off. Now, for the we're not, bearish or Gartely experts on this, but for drawing out, and this is hand drawn for the Fibonacci folks, they could get more precise, but it's very, very close, and it gets even closer because it is a little, the B point is over the 0.618 retracement of the X to A leg, and we're doing it now from the body. If you do it to the hair, and I don't want to change this, but this is what's really interesting though. Let's just take a minute here, and I invite others who are experts in Gartley's, particularly with the Fibonacci numbers and with the appropriate software. I've done this by hand, to jump in and comment. But let's put in the New York Stock Exchange .x and look at this alignment. So if we do take the X point right at the top, draw it right to the bottom of the tail, this would be the A point. Look where the B point is. Perfect, absolutely perfect on the 0.618 retracement. This would be the X point, X to A to B, B to C, and now we're working on the C to D leg. Now it will be interesting. The C to D leg, quite honestly, could come up into here, which would be on the New York Stock Exchange 13262.97, and probably date-wise, just eyeball on this, could be in and around March 20th. If it gets that high, and then we're going to have that crescendo, and it'll be a fast move. That's what we're looking at. Again, if you like this sort of thing, we like to think that we're multifaceted. We trade futures, we trade stocks. We're a mentoring site of like-minded people, and we use primarily algos. We're not necessarily into pattern recognition, but we think it's a good skill to have, and we certainly love the Gartley patterns when they show up, and we'd welcome anyone who sees this video to feel free to respond back with a picture or two, maybe utilizing their software, seeing what they see, which market they want to choose, and but I think it is setting up for almost a perfect, when you look at the New York Stock Exchange, a perfect Gartley pattern to be turning around. I say around March 19th, up in here, March 19th, 20th at around 13.2 on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, personally, I hope it doesn't go there. There's no, it doesn't have to go there, but in the interest of the Gartley, it might, and then we'd move. We'd probably see like a little doji candle up here at the the day before, and then a go. Good luck, everybody. If you like this sort of thing and you like what we post, feel free to follow. Better yet, join. It's only $99 a month, and you'd be amazed with the amount of information that we share with our members, and also unique information. Unique. Good luck.